Okay, let's go on with Bohemian Rhapsody. Glad to see you again. I hope you're fine. Well, in the last part we ended with the Scaramouche part. And today we have nearly like this, yeah? Sorry. Okay, like this. Okay. As you know, I need to repeat some parts as well. Well, it's a bit strange, the sound, but it's really as it's in the original song. And especially how it sounds on the piano. Okay, but it's fun. So let's start with the fat part here. On the right hand with the D flat major chord. So that the D flat is in the middle and the A flat on top. The F on top. And in the left hand, also the D flat. So that's the first practice part. Because after the D flat major chord, we have the A flat major chord. 7, A flat major 7. So first D flat and then A flat major. Okay, and I recommend from the fingering here, a ring finger and a pointer here, or with a pinky from the start. I personally love this one where the ring finger is on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. The left hand always from rhythm exactly the same as the right hand. See, these are the first two chords. And then we go on here with C major. And in the left hand G. So G, C, E, G. And that's an E major chord, E7. So that's E major, G sharp, B and E. And here with the D, it's an E7. So G sharp, B, E, D, and G sharp. Yeah, and really use all the finger in the right hand, all 5 fingers. If it's too much for you, you can also play it like this. Yeah, just leave the G on the bottom and start with the B from E to G sharp on top. Yeah, here the same rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 1, 2. And at the very end, A major. Yeah, just the A major chord. A, C sharp, E, A sharp, A. I play it again, very slow. Again, even slower. That was without pedal. And with pedal it sounds like this. And on each new chord I leave the pedal and press it again. And at the very end I leave it completely. So that's the first part of today's video. And then we have Galileo. And he really sings E and F. And even out of tune. It's so strange. And then Freddie Mercury, I think, sings Galileo. And as really think about this combination of chords, of notes. Yeah, so with E and F on top, and here we have A and B flat. each 2 times. We hold the last note. So in the right hand, we play ring finger and pinky, and here thumb and pointer the left hand. A great exercise for the weak fingers. And at the very end, after you played each 2 times, both together, the right hand plays. I'm here with the pinky E, E, F, E, D, C, B. And the left hand plays A, B flat, A, G, F, E. Yeah? Okay, well, that's another practice part. Yeah, practice part for itself. And then all together. Okay, that's the next practice part. So all together to this part. And then a C minor 7 chord, but the single notes down to the B, so a B flat, so B flat, G, E flat, C, and B flat. So this C minor chord and the B flat is the 7. I think me go. And 4 times B flat, and then the single notes of the chord downstairs. And if you want, you can add the left hand that plays exactly the same. Here with in the right hand with the pinky, and the left hand starts with the pointer. Two, 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 1, 2, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. So, that's the last part for today. In the next video, we go on with I'm just a poor boy in a poor family. But, that's the next video. Okay. So again, all together from today's video. That's the next video. So, when you're already able to play all together and fast and all together with the pedal, I'm just a poor boy in a poor family. Yeah, okay. Of course, the single elements can sound a bit strange, and of course we are the piano, but when we play it faster and all together, yeah, it's really a sensation, this masterpiece. So I hope you have fun, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.